controlling your name. No, no, please, I can't play with the reason that your fingers only pointing the blame.